start on the hook now. Now the hook, it's not like straight punches, it's more hips. Straight punches, you use a lot of arm, and you use slight rotation of the hips. Hooks are full rotation of the hips and less arm. So if you look, my hips end here, start here. All I have to do for a hook, there's two different types of hooks, but both do the same thing. Form an L with the arm, and you just twist your hands. Same as the right, rear and front are the same. Your lead hand and your receptive hand are doing the same thing, because your hips rotate. Same as the uppercut. Uppercut is legs and hips. Hooks are all hips. Now, when you throw the hooks, you want to hit with the first two knuckles. Now, many boxers now do the palm facing. Old boxers just do palm downward. Now, this is usually for more accuracy. This punch covers more broad distance.
You can also use hooks to cover distance. Tyson does this perfectly. If you watch, Tyson throws the first hook, misses, uses the momentum of that to drop and evade the leading punch. Then he readjusts and connects after he throws the second hook because he covers that distance. I do something similar against Caribbean Killer. What I do is I throw my lead hook to cover distance. He throws his counter punch, which I duck from the momentum, and I throw my second jab to connect. You have to also be careful not to telegraph your hooks. This means throwing hooks from the hips. Now this is good against body shots because it's a more broad target. It's a hit or miss when it comes to throwing to the face. Dropping your weight on your punches is what gives you more power. Now if you look at Tommy Morrison, he drops his weight on his lead foot to throw his left hook to give him more power. Now when he throws this and it connects, it's devastating. Thus he gets the knockdown. Having a guard up is good practice for throwing hooks because you cover less distance. Now if you look at Tommy Morrison, he has his guard up also as defense, but once he eats a punch, he throws the hook as a counter and it gets to the target faster. Especially with hooks and combos, always have one hand guarding at home on your face and one hand on the hunt in the attack. The good thing about throwing a perfect hook is that you already have to have a guard in order to throw it. So when Tommy Morrison's opponent throws, his guard's already there, and then he can counter it faster by throwing the hook right after. Huge shout out to Street Beefs and Neutral Corner Boxing for working with me and let me train with them from time to time. The guys in this gym are monsters, and they always beat the snot out of me and run circles around me, making me a better fighter. And huge shout out to Lord Besteban for always working with me and getting my content up and helping me become a more popular person on social media. Check out his channel on YouTube and Instagram. But honestly, everyone, thank you for all your support and working with me every day and having the patience and the good vibes all around. It means a lot, and that's why I keep on giving you this content, because it's not about me anymore. It's about you guys, and y'all deserve the content. Y'all deserve me to put in the work for you. Keep checking out for more tutorials, and I definitely will try to get out more content and be more active. So stay safe and stay tuned.